Look at this set. We need to deal with lots of data. First pie chart gives age-wise distribution of a number of residents of Atlantis. 72° means 20%. 20% is below 30 years. 54° means 15% between 30 to 40. 108° means 30%. This one is 20. 32.4 means 9%. 28.8 means 8%. 64.8 is 18%. Total number is not given, but every time they are dealing with 200 units. Income-wise distribution in terms of number of represented as a scale of 200. Like up to 60K, 10 out of 200. Up to 80K, 40 out of 200. So between 60 to 80, there are 30 people. Between 40 to 90, between 80K to 110K, there are 50 people. Out of 200. Remember, this 50 is out of 200, not 50%. 40 people in the range of 110K, 110K to 40K. Of 16 people in the range of 130K to 140K. Everybody below 200K, between 140 to 200, 54 people. And then finally, the percentage breakup, out of 200 breakup, contribution breakup in various profession. 48 people out of 200 police. So we'll deal with 200 people. 30 army, or this 20 is doctor, or this 50 is professor, or this 20 is lawyer, or this 32 is engineer. So I'll try to put them in similar number line, which I've done it here. Green is for age. Brown is for income. And red is for profession. So I can see above 30, below 30, there are people below 30, 40 people out of 200. Or 30 to 40, 15%, that is 30 people. 40 to 50, 30%, that is 60 people. Because total scale is always 200. Okay. So now let's go to the problems. Since I have the table, I can hide a little bit of data. What percent of total citizen having income? Acha, one important thing is this one. More the age, higher the income. So directly relation, these two, green and brown, not with profession. What percent of total citizen having income in the range of 80K to 110K? 80K to 110K. These are the people we are talking about. These are the people we are talking about. How many people are there? 50 people are there. And out of them, above 40. This is up to 40, right? This is up to 40. So basically, we are dealing with this kind of people whose age is above 40, but income is not 110. So this is the range we are talking about. How many persons are there? This age range starts at 70 and it's end at 90. So exactly 20 people are there out of the scale of 200 people. So it will be 10%. 10%, option C. Clear? Let me erase the additional shading I've done for the problem. Next one. Let the entire survey is conducted among 100 citizens. Among them, Z is the number of people formed a group, each of whom a different profession. Each of made the following statement: all citizens who belong to my profession are the same income group. What is the maximum possible value of Z? So it is all about fitting. Like I can see, entire police. Let me use pink color for police. How many people? 48. Where it can be fit? It can be fit in this region. Entire police. 40 people can get into that 50 people, because this is 40, this is 90. So this range is having 50 people. Then if I look at this army, sky blue color for army. Army, how many people? Starts at 48, ends at 78, means 30 people. So easily I can fit army into 60 to 18 income range. 60 to 18 income range. There I am having exactly a possibility of 30 people, 10 to 40. So army police can be fit. Now, what about this engineers? 168 to 200. Let me use a separate color. Yellow for engineers. 32 people in engineer. And I can easily place it inside this region, because this has a capacity of 40, 90 to 130. 3 already placed. Now I'll take two very small groups. One is of lawyer. One is of lawyer, which has only 20 people. Another is of doctor, which is also having 20 people. So total 40 people. Total 40 people. And where they can go? They can go in the top range. They can go in the top range. Okay, let me use a separate color here also. It will be easier for you to differentiate. This one and this one, this 220 will go inside this. So already how many I have placed? 5 I have placed in exactly same income group. Professor I cannot, because professor value is too high to be fit into any group. It's 50. Now I can send professors here. In that case, I have to do away with police group. So anyhow, that will not change the number. So in 4 income region, I can fit in 5 groups. So highest value of Z will be 5, option C. Right? The entire set of people who are distributed uniformly throughout all categories, find the percent of citizen in the income group of I60 but age below 40. I more than 60 but age below 40. I more than 60 but age below 40. Which are the people we are talking about? I60 is all of these people. All of these people. Except below 10, everybody is above 60. Everybody is above 60. Below 40 is this much. Below 40 means up to this much. So we are dealing with this region. We're starting here. We're starting here. And we will end here. Age below 40, income above 60. So how many people we are getting there? Bottom count is 10, top count is 70. So total count is 60 out of a scale of 200. So it will be 30%. Option A. Option A. Next problem. If the engineers are fully within the income group of 140 to 200, but age group of above 60, then find the maximum percent of engineer within the group of 60 to 70. So how many engineers are there? Number of engineers are 32. 32. All in top income group, which is above this 146. Which are these people? Which are these people? Map this to. Now we want maximum engineer here. How many people we can fit in here? 46 to 164. 18 we can fit in our desired age group, which is 60 to 70. So out of 32 and 200, it will be very close to option C. Very close to option C. Next problem. Find the percentage of citizen of income range 110 to 200K. 110 to 200K, which is this entire region. Entire region. Let me remove the shadings. 110 to 200K. But age group of 30 to 50. 110 starts here. To 200K. This entire region we are talking about. How many people are there? It is above 90, means 110 people are there. 110 people are there. So what we have, 110, and age group is 130 minus 40, that is 90. Because we want within 40. 30 to 50 range, which starts here and which ends here. So our counting starts as 110. So this is 130 and above 30 years we need. So this part is coming as 90. 90. So how much common portion we can see? I can see a common portion of 90s, which starts here. Common portion starts here and it ends here. 90 to 140. So common portion is of 40. Out of total of 200, which is 20%. Option A. Okay.